How to build life coaching program online, the simple way. If you've been thinking about taking your life coaching online, but the tech side makes you hesitant, think again. Building an online life coaching program is far easier than most coaches expect. In fact, when you strip it back, it's not about technology at all. It's about organizing what you already do so well, guiding people through meaningful change. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple human way to build a life coaching program online without jargon, overwhelm, or complexities. Start with one clear outcome. Every strong life coaching program begins with clarity. Not clarity on everything you teach. Not clarity on every tool you ever used. Just one outcome. Ask yourself, what is the core transformation I help clients achieve? That might be more confidence, emotional resilience, clarity and direction, better mindset habits, or meaningful life change. When you choose one clear outcome, everything else becomes easier. Your lessons get tighter, your messaging becomes clearer, and clients immediately understand what they're moving towards. Remember, you can always expand later. Start with one. Create your core coaching framework. Most life coaches already have a framework. They just haven't written it down. You use it every time you guide a client through awareness, insight, and action. It might look like awareness, mindset shift, action, integration, maintenance, or it might be completely your own. The exact steps doesn't matter as much as this. The framework becomes the backbone of your online program. Keep it simple, actionable, flexible enough for personalization. Once you outline your method, you'll realize something important. Your coaching is already ready for an online format. Turn your sessions into online lessons. This is where many coaches are surprised by how easy it feels. Your lessons don't need to be long or complicated. They can include short videos, audio reflections, worksheets or journaling prompts, simple exercises, milestone check-ins. Think of each lesson as one supportive step forwards. Short, focused lessons keep clients engaged and moving without that overwhelm. Add coaching touchpoints. Life coaching works because of connection. And your online program should feel alive. Simple touchpoints make a huge difference. Weekly or bi-weekly live calls, a private community space, written or reflective check-ins, and occasional bonus sessions. These moments remind clients they're supported, even between sessions. Your program doesn't replace you, it supports the work you already do. Simple. Build a simple enrollment experience. A great program can fail if joining feels confusing. Keep enrollment simple and human. One clear sales page, straightforward pricing, a warm welcome email, immediate clarity on what to do next. Clarity reduces anxiety. And when clients feel calm, they commit. Organize your program structure. Structure creates trust. A simple program flow might look something like this: foundation, mindset, action, integration, moving forward. Clients stay motivated when they know where they are, and of course, what's coming next. Your structure doesn't need to impress, it needs to support that transformation. Deliver a human touching experience. Technology should never make your coaching feel distant. Small human touches go a long way, such as welcome videos, weekly prompts, short audio encouragement, voice notes in your community. These moments build trust, they can help clients feel safe, and they keep your coaching personal, even online. Launch simply. Most coaches wait too long to launch because they want everything perfect. But clarity beats complexity every single time. A simple launch looks like build your framework, record your core lessons, set up your page, invite your audience, run your first group, and improve as you go. Your first version isn't your final version, and that's exactly how it should be. Building an online life coaching program isn't about perfect videos or polished design. It's about guidance. It's about guiding people through change in a way that feels structured, supportive, and of course, sustainable. When everything lives in one calm environment, you get to focus on what matters most, the coaching itself. If you love this little video, then make sure you check out the full blog post. We have other related articles in there. And if you love this little video for you, then hit that subscribe, right? So you get informed about any video we put up.